General Hospital's polarity is that Charlotte Casta recently suddenly revealed a shocking truth to her father, Valentin Casta. Charlotte realizes that her tarot cards are exactly the same deck that Helena used in the past. That's not all. The necklace that Charlotte has owned for a long time is also Helena's property. That means little Charlotte is slowly becoming someone like her grandmother Helena. If this really happens, another evil version of Helena will once again appear, making many people afraid. Helena was known to be an evil person in the past, even though Helena was believed to be dead. Helena's cruel actions were always mentioned by many people. It seems that Helena's evil self is always attached to Helena's body, whether alive or dead. Meanwhile, fans have learned that Drukan was brainwashed by Caesar Faison in the past. Not stopping there, after being brainwashed, Drew continued to be held captive by Victor Casdai for a long time. It seemed that everything would be freed after Drew was released, but Faison's son Peter August continued to control Drew's mind. With what happened, it can be said that times was considered Drew's darkest period in his life. Things only really changed after Peter, Faison, Helena, and Victor were presumed dead. Only then did Drew truly feel the freedom that had been lost for a long time, but it was still not absolute freedom. Because although Drew is no longer physically controlled, Drew continues to be controlled mentally. In fact, Drew still cannot escape being controlled by his mind, which is understandable because being controlled by others for a long time has caused Drew to gradually lose his inherent sanity. Putting everything aside, in the end, the thing that Drew needs most is that no one can control Drew's mind anymore. However, everything may change in the near future because currently even Helena or Victor are no longer alive, but the mind control items were left to the successor, and the person who received those items was none other than Charlotte. This is note that the assets Helena and Victor left for Charlotte include tarot cards, a Helena necklace, and a letter from Victor. The necklace or tarot cards are said to be tool for Charlotte to control the minds of others. The letter that Victor left behind is most likely a trick for Charlotte to control other people's mind. Of course, it is possible that Charlotte will learn and take advantage of those things to control Drew and turn Drew into a new assassin. Meanwhile, Energy Event is still the person Charlotte really wants to take down, so Charlotte can use a trick to turn Drew into a false ear and attack Anna. But what she has an end. Charlotte's chances of success are very high, and Drew may continue to be mind control again.